So here we are with example 14 from chapter 1.5. Okay, so here the important thing to notice is that the power of the top is greater than or equal to the power of the bottom. So power of the numerator is greater than or equal to power of denominator. Therefore, we're going to divide first. Okay, I'm going to do the division using our grid, but in order to do that, we've got to multiply out the bottom. So x minus 1 times x minus 2. If in any doubt, you can use the grid. It gives us x squared minus 3x plus 2. So that's what we've got to divide by. So that's going to go down the left-hand side of our grid, x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so then we can take our 3x squared and put it into the grid. Yeah, so the 3x squared has gone there, and what we've got to do is think about 3x squared divided by x squared, which is going to give us 3. So put the 3x squared in, do the division 2, and now we can fill in the rest of this column. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9x. 3 times 2 is plus 6. Okay, now we've got to look at how many x's we need altogether. So up here we can see that we need minus 3x. At the moment we've got minus 9x, so we need to add in 6x. Similarly, we can then look at the units. We've got minus 2 that we want. We've currently got plus 6, so we need to take away 8. And that is our remainder. So 3x squared minus 3x minus 2 over x minus 1, x minus 2 is identical to 3 plus our remainder, which is 6x minus 8, which still needs to be divided by x minus 1, x minus 2. Okay, now this section needs to be written using our partial fraction techniques. So we've got let 6x minus 8 over x minus 1 times x minus 2 be identical to, and we better use the letters in the question, b over x minus 1 plus c over x minus 2. Okay, usual routines then. Multiply through by the denominator, so 6x minus 8 is identical to b. The x minus 1s will cancel, so you get x minus 2 plus c. The x minus 2s cancel, leaving x minus 1. Then we're going to use our technique whereby we let the brackets equal to 0, or take values of x to make the brackets equal to 0 is a better way of expressing it. So we're going to let x equal 2, so that this bracket here will be 0. So we're going to get 12 take away 8 is 4, is equal to, the first bracket there becomes 0, 2 take away 1 is 1, so c is equal to 4. Now we're going to pick a value to make the second bracket equal to 0. Well, that's going to be x equal 1. So we get 6x minus, we're putting the 1 in. So 6 lots of 1 is 6, take away 8 is negative 2, equals what b? 1 take away 2 is minus 1. So b is equal to 2. So now we can list out the correct answer. 3x squared 3x squared minus x minus 2 over x minus 1, x minus 2 is identical to, I've missed a 3 off the question. Let me just tidy that up. So that'll be 3x squared minus 3x. And then a came out to be 3 plus b was 2 over x minus 1 plus c, which is 4 over x minus 2. And that gives us the answer. Hope that's clear, and good luck with what's to come.